today, today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. So I'm very excited for this. I know that a lot of people have been doing a skincare routine. I'm like, oh, why don't I do one Eve style? So I don't really have a skincare routine. No, but I guess I kind of use like scrubs on my face. Yeah, like face masks and that kind of stuff. Oh yeah. So let's get started. So, oh my god, look at the difference. It's like I'm being tanned but not on the other arm. Okay, anyways, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is having a shower. So I'm going to wet my hair since I just went for a swim, my pool, and I got an underwater camera for Christmas, and I will be doing it in a video if you guys have got any suggestions for that video. So yes, I'm going to have a shower and I'll be right back with you guys. Oh my god, I'm going to do that and then like come back out and be like okay, I'm going to do that. 3, 2, 1. So I had a shower, I have cleared my skin, and I did have my hair in a turban, just that kept falling out, and it's kind of dry now, so I don't really need it. So now, first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a face wash, and I'm going to be dipping it into my warm water that I ran. It was actually hot straight away, but then I kind of like let it sit for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to dip it in there. So now I'm just going to do what people do, and like I'll show you what I'm doing, but I just don't want to get the water everywhere. So basically just go like that and twist it, and I'm just going to wet my face. Also, obviously with ear piercings, you have to wet and dry your ears after you have put shampoo through your hair or conditioner. So I'm just going to go under my eyes and my nose. Okay, so now I'm just going to leave that there. And the first thing I'm going to be taking is this tea tree face wash for acne. Now, I don't have acne. It's just that make the chances of getting it less, I could say. Yeah, you could also use a exfoliator instead of the tea tree foam thing that I'm going to use. It's up to you. I'm just going to use this now. So I'm just going to do, it's like applying foundation. Oh. So there we go. I'm just gonna now let's put on some songs. Make it hard to let you. Make sure your eyes are closed in this process. Oh, that's why you wear a turban, Eve, and not just listen to your brain. Oh, now it's all in my hand. Okay, so I'm just taking my hand wash and that bowl of water, just like going across my hair with it. And now I'm just going to take a towel, a dry towel, and just a clean towel too, as you've just detoxed your skin. You don't want any dirt or anything going on that. So now I'm going to take my scrub that is, I absolutely love this, don't eat it, but it's coffee and coconut. Now I don't drink coffee, but it just smells like really good together. Now if you like put coffee beans and then grind up and then coconut oil and then make that, I could say, runny. That's the smell of what this would smell like right now. So I put that much. Kind of looks like something bad, but now the main focuses, when I do this, the main focuses I focus on is under my nose. I don't want any pimples under my nose. As well as all around the cheeks. Not that much on the head, but if you're doing this also to learn some tips, yeah, I would go and then I'm just gonna spread it out along there. Now I'm just gonna put on a little bit more water because I feel like I don't have enough water to soak my hands in. I would also do this in the bathroom, or you could bring a tub in. Just also make sure there's on floorboards or something, like not carpet, because now I'm just going to take that off and there it goes. But I'm just going to do like one side at a time, like I'm just doing that. Let me just dry it so I can show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just going like that, and then now I'm going to be taking Angels on Bare Skin. So this is the only thing I'm using that's from last year. So all of them are like, that coffee and scrub thing is from Suckin. This is just from like the agents, the chemist, and this is from Target, which I'm about to use. So I'm going to take this out and around like that much. I'll show you what it looks like. That much. That much. And now I'm just going to get my finger and dip it into the water and just like dab it. Not dab it. Just like that. And you want to kind of see no lumps, like just a milky consistency till it goes like that. And now I'm just gonna put that all around where. Now I'm just going to wash that off. You can leave these on for around 5 minutes. I have kind of been pausing the videos to like wait. I don't know if I've said that, but up to you guys. This one you don't really have to sit on it. It's kind of up to you for all of it. Oh, now I'm gonna have to pause the video though because I'm about to do my tea tree. So with this, I'm just going to dry my whole nose as well as sweep the ground because there's water everywhere from me making a big mess as usual. I'm actually admitting it. So if you kind of look at my mess now, you can't really see that well on camera, like the colour, but I'm just going to drain it. And then, oh, I just got that in the water. Okay. So, just put that there. So now I'm going to take my tea tree, finally, and, oh, it's already a bit peeling off because been left there. So now I'm just going to do like a dot on my nose. I'm just going to shake it up like that. Yeah. Oh my god, it's going in my nose. Oh. It's kind of like a gel. Oh. I'm just going to rub it side to side like that. And then just do it on the dot. So it's like just massaging. It literally feels like 100 layers of like glue or something going under my skin because it's like really jelly and thicky, like hair style glue. But you have to leave this on for around 20 minutes. I like to leave it on exactly 20 minutes, like not even before, even though it starts drying, because I kind of think that after it has dried up, even though it looks dry and maybe it's 10 minutes, then it kind of like goes into your skin and just gets anything that you missed. So I'm just gonna put it around there like that. Now I'm just going to wash my hands off. You have to really soak your hands because it's really thick, like I said. So going to remove this. So I will be back with my hands. I'll be back with you when it is dry and I'm about to peel it off. Peel it off. Okay guys, so I'm back and it's been like probably 40 minutes and it's like already peeling off. So yeah, I'm just gonna peel it. Off. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you liked it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!